Hello, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Andreja Premium that came back in just because this kind of exhaust pipe had broken into two pieces. Here it is. So I actually replaced that with a brand new one, which you can see right here. And you can see it fits in really well. It's not going to break again, hopefully. But since I have the machine in, I just want to do a quick demo just to show that that no other parts of the machine were damaged while I was here at the shop and everything is working right. So I'm going to just pull a shot really quick and show you the steam and hot water. Okay, so water filter. Here we have a nice shot of espresso, and I'll show you steam, and also have hot water. Right, that's about it for this video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.